Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you the full instruction how to download your ChatGPT for your Android. Redmi, Xiaomi, Samsung. I decided to make this video for you because ChatGPT is blocked in many countries. Wait a second, hold on! I made this video before OpenAI increased the amount of countries to download ChatGPT. Right now it's easier, but I'm gonna leave this video for people who are struggling to install it. And for those of you who doesn't have an opportunity to download it, I made this instruction only for education purpose. It's important to know that official ChatGPT app looks like that. Don't waste your money and time on other apps. They're gonna use your data or take money from you. Official ChatGPT app is free and you can download it from the link in the description below. Okay, so the first step how to download ChatGPT, you have to create a new Google account. It is necessary not to mess with your normal account. I will tell you later why this is important. For that you have to click on the right upper corner and click Create New Account. You can try to download it again. In my case it's not working because Italy is not in the list of the countries which are available at the moment. It's important to remember that you don't have to mess with this country thing because you can switch your country only once a year, according to the Google regulations. The next step is to download Outline VPN. You have to open your Google Play Store and download it. It's not so complicated and free. You have to search for Outline VPN. It's not a sponsor of that video, I'm just using it, I like it, and it's free. Then you have to search for Outline Community and open the website with Outline Network. If you scroll down, you can click on the first valid key, jump back to Outline and copy it. Swipe back to Outline and this key should be posted automatically. Click to connect and voila, you are in US virtually. Now you just change the country and voila! Now you can easily download ChatGPT and use it for your own needs. Log in with your normal account, check your history and ask it something to get interesting answers. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please ask it in the comments or join our Discord. Peace.